Euro. What is commercial brewing? Commercial brewing is the process of brewing beer on a large scale and in large quantities. It is defined in the beer industry as a brewery that brews more than 6 million barrels of beer per year. Hence the need for larger beer equipment, better control of the brewing process, and faster production efficiency. What is a craft brewery? Brewers Association classifies American craft breweries as small independent breweries. Can only produce 600 barrels or less of beer per year. The smaller brewing capacity of craft breweries enables the use of more innovative brewing processes. To a certain extent, craft breweries can also be counted as commercial breweries. What is home brewing? Home brewing is the small-scale brewing of beer, mead, and beer by individuals for non-commercial purposes. You can adjust the brewing recipe according to your own preferences and make your favorite beer taste instead of selling it to others. There is still a big difference between home brewing culture and commercial brewing. Different equipment. You don't need a lot of equipment and tools to make your own beer. Just buy a few sample cans or kegs. Ready to start making 1 to 5 gallons of premium beer. Commercial brewing requires the purchase of large and complex equipment, raw materials, and utilities. Checklist of supplies to consider when starting a microbrewery. Equipment, saccharification system, fermentation system, refrigeration system, filling system, etc. Raw material supply, hops, malt, yeast. Utilities, electricity, steam, and water. Home brewing equipment costs far less than equipment used for commercial brewing. Therefore, starting commercial brewing requires a significant capital investment and requires planning well in advance. Different capacity. The brewing process is the same for commercial brewing and home brewing. Grain is mashed, hops added, wort fermented, beer aged, and finally bottled. The biggest difference is that a commercial brewery can produce more beer than a home brewery. Commercial brewing limits. Commercial brewing has significant limitations compared to home brewing. Self-brewing can produce the taste of beer you want, and there will be less loss if it is not brewed well. Commercial beer is brewed in batches to wholesalers. Losses can run into hundreds if not thousands of dollars if brewed incorrectly. Of course, many breweries will have dedicated brewers for small batch brewing. Bulk brewing only happens after the style and taste of the beer is right. From home brewing to commercial brewing is a leap. If you plan to open a brewery and prepare to purchase brewery equipment, Tiantai will be your most loyal partner.